Hello, you're watching Saral Money with me, Sharad Kohli on Money 9. Today we are going to learn about another derivatives instrument called options. Now, what are options? There are shares whose prices are very high, and when you want to trade in derivatives, you find that you do not have enough money to pay the margins because the lot size multiplied by the number of shares comes to a very sizable amount, and therefore you may not be in a position to afford. So for the small traders, for the small investors, there is an option given which is called in derivatives premium. These premiums are called options. There are two kinds of options. For example, if a share is worth 5,000 rupees, you will be charged a premium of, let's say, 30 rupees, 40 rupees. This is just an example. I'm not naming any share, I'm not naming any situation. There are two kinds of option. There is a call option when you want to play bullish. There is a call option when you want to play bearish. It's called put option. Now, options are bought for a certain strike price. They are of three kinds: in the money, out of money, at the money. Suppose the price of a share is 250 rupees. When you're buying a strike price for 250, you are called at the money option. When you're buying for less than 250, it's called in the money. This is for call. When you're buying higher, it's called out of money. For put, it's the other way around. Now, the price of option increases and decreases because of two factors. It will normally increase when the open interest in the share on a call option is high and the price of stock is moving upwards. So you are gaining in call option. In put option, you gain when the price of share falls. You are in profit. Now, what is important to be kept in mind is that in options, a trader has to be careful, an investor has to be careful that the value of the premium goes down with the time, a flux of time, or with the passage of time. That is, as you get closer to the expiry, you will find that even if your strike price has come near or you've crossed the strike price at times, even then your premium or the value of call or put option may fall down. So this is a very important aspect to be. This is not what happens in future. In future, the date as the contract expiry, as on the last date of expiry or as on the date of expiry remains, the price remains the same. But in case of options, the value of your premium of the put or call option falls down with the flux of time. So whereas options are easier to buy, options are cheaper to buy, you need lesser money for trading in options, you have to keep in mind that there is a time value of money which is involved in options. So as you get closer to the expiry, you will find that the value of your option premium falls down. And I hope you understood the difference between call and put option. Put option will rise if the price of the stock falls and the open interest increases. Call option would rise if the price of the share increases and the open interest increases. Option is depicted through a chain. You will find that the price of options fluctuate with the price of the share and with open interest. So if it sounds complicated, no worries, put up your questions. We'll be happy to answer. Keep watching Saral Money for many such complicated terms made easy for you. Thank you.